How to make my sourdough granola bars. The ingredients are rolled oats, sourdough starter, dried fruit, I'm using cranberries, pistachios, chia seeds, almond extract, salt, and maple syrup. You could use honey. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Step 1. Toast the oats, nuts, and seeds. Bake in preheated oven for 15 minutes until toasty. "15 minutes are done, nice and toasty. Step 2. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients. Step 3. Pat and press mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan lined with parchment paper. Step 4. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Granola bars are done. 30 minutes was my total baking time. Cool and cut into bars or squares. I cut mine into 9 equal squares.